Okay, this is our new cat, Joey, the newest member of the Nava family. He's very playful. He is a very, very handsome young male cat. He loves to be mischievous, but we also like to play a little laser with him. He loves that laser. You see him go after it. Hold on. Here he goes. Yep. Well, let me get a wide picture here. See if he'll go after it. There he goes. There he goes. He's funny.